I mowed this field and collected the grass and just popped it in the silo over here. Now I sheeted it. I thought I was recording it, but I obviously wasn't. And so it's here, fermenting. So that's that. It really wasn't that much. But we need to start cultivation on our field. So let's hop into the John Deere. See, it's got grass on it. And let us go grab our cultivator and cultivate up field 56. And now in the last video, I did reveal that we would be buying a new field for the next steps, for the next year. I didn't say which field it would be, still haven't said which field it is. So you're just gonna have to wait and see. So let's get straight into it. The horse Toronto. So we'll cultivate field 56 up, and then we will be buying a new field. So let's get down to field 56 without running into the gate post. Just get around here. And let's get to cultivating. So, this is going to be workered. See you later, worker. What we're buying is another field. I probably said that already. So it was probably a bit vague when I said we're buying another field. And actually, yeah, it is vague when I say we're buying another field. We are taking out a loan for this field. So it's quite a big field. You don't know which field it is yet. I've got my eye on a field over here. Don't know which yet. But that's not the menu. We need to take out a loan first. So finances. Loan. We've got £300,000 now. And the field that we're buying is 107. So field 107 purchased. That's going to need to be ploughed up, just cultivated under. So let's hop into the Landini and push this mower up to the front there, and drop that mower there. What we need to do is actually we're going to go to the store and rent a plough. So tools, here we go, ploughs. We're going to be getting, oopsie. The plough by Black Sheep Modding, I think it is. Lizard Subsoiler. In John Deere Green, obviously. We're just going to lease it, because we are just putting one field under. And that is this little field here. Well, it's not a field. It's more like a grass patch, but I thought we may as well use it as we own it. So we will need to cultivate it as well. So let's run to the store and grab our plough. Right, we're just finishing up on this field here. That was quick with Black Sheep Modding's plough. I wonder how the cultivator guy's getting on. We'll have a quick look. Oh, he's doing quite well. Yeah. Goody. He's gonna have to come over here and plonk himself up here, but that's okay. We'll get straight into planting or seeding. How much horsepower does our little Landini have? 225? Yeah, that should be enough to run our seeder that we're going to rent. Because renting it is much easier than buying it. Right. That one. Good. No, we don't need any other fields, so we can return our leased plough. There we go, and we will head to the store to get our seeder unit. other field. We will put this one on the we'll put the seeder on the John Deere, has a bit more power, so should have the power to do it. The weeds are from when I had to skip a month. Right. I'm literally off the ground, okay. Right, now that that's getting planted or seeded, let's get this on. Right, let's move this back up to the farm. Pop this away, and I think that'll be the end of the video. You have not completed your task. Yeah. Right, that should work a bit better than the in-game AO workers. Right, we'll get, oh god, we'll get this moved back up, and as I said earlier, yes, that will be the end of today's video. So, until next time, hope you enjoyed today's video. See you later. Bye for now.